LISUN is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, this is Daisy. Let me introduce to you the use of the LMS-6000 portable CCD Spectroradiometer. The following is the video catalog. 1. Packing list. 2. Device operation. 3. Software operation. 4. Do's and don'ts. Please check the packing list when you receive the shipment. LMS-6000 is a portable device. The device and all accessories are in one package. Here is the device and all the accessories. LMS-6000, device box, USB cable and charger, flannelette bag, lanyard, lens cloth. There is also a plastic bag in the package that contains a CD, calibrate certificates, and guarantee cards. There is software, user manual, operation video and related standards in the CD. There is a range of products for LMS-6000. Each model can test different special parameters besides the regular colorimetric parameters. Press the on-off switch to turn on the device. Generally, we use automatic integration time. The LMS-6000 will automatically adjust the integration time according to the intensity of the light. If no special requirement, please make sure that here is auto. There are 2 test buttons on the touch screen interface. Click single to do a single test. Click multi to do a continuous test. The purpose of continuous testing is to observe whether the test results are stable. If yes, click stop to stop the continuous test and the test results will display on the touch screen. Place the device in the required test location. Aim the opalescent film at the light source to be tested. Then you can start the test. Test results can be reviewed on the touch screen after the test. The content will be slightly different depending on the model. Spec is the default interface. Click to select which parameters to display. All the parameters display in the data interface. Chromaticity diagrams display in the CRO interface. Some models have another interface to display special parameters. For example, Flicker parameters display in the Flick interface. Click Save to save the test reports. Enter the file name, choose the file format and click OK. Click Open to open the saved test reports. Long press on-off switch to power off the LMS-6000. If you need to recharge the battery, you can connect the device to computer using the USB cable. You can also use the charger. Copy all the files in the CD to the computer. The software and the driver are in the CD. Double-click the exe file to install the software. Connect the LMS-6000 to the computer using the USB cable. Generally, the software is used to open the saved reports and print them. USB mode, choose USB storage. Then you can see the SD card in My Computer. All the saved test reports are here. Open the LMS-6000 software. Import the test report. Then you can click Print or Print Preview to check and print the report. Besides, the software can also communicate with the LMS-6000. It can control the device synchronization for testing. Need to switch USB mode to communication. If your computer is with 64-bit Windows operation system, you need to disable the digital signature enforcement. If you don't know how to do this, you can search in Google or contact us. Enter device manager of the computer. Usually the computer will install the driver automatically. If not, you can right-click to update the driver. Open the software. The buttons were gray and non-clickable, but now they are operable. Click to start the test. The results will display both on the software and the device. To prevent electrostatic from damaging the USB port, it is better to plug or unplug the USB cable when the LMS-6000 is off. The LMS-6000 has been calibrated before it leaves the factory, so don't change anything in the calibration interface. Otherwise, it may result in inaccurate test data. For flicker test, we need to do continuous testing to get the correct values. Thanks for watching.